Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is where we do our weekly market recap and the market outlook. We'll be looking at the DXY, we look at the EURUSD, look at the pounds USD, we look at the Nasdaq, we look at the S&P, look at the US30. Last but not the least, we also look at gold. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our charts. That reminds me, if you have not subscribed, if you are new, just press the subscribe button. Alright, that's out of the way now. We'll be heading to our chart. We'll be starting with DXY. We'll be starting with DXY. You remember this 3 months level, or this one is a monthly wick. Monthly wicks. You see the low to high. That is this line there. So initially, I'm expecting price to touch the 50% of it. Expecting price to touch that at least, but the upper end also. I'm expecting price to get there. So previous week I said this is a normal textbook pattern. So this structure, as price move here, make high, another high, low. So normally you're expecting to break above here also again. So that is just that. So I did expect this price move up. I said if in normal market scenario, you should be expecting price to move from this place to higher here. So I'm still bullish on this DXY. I'm expecting this 50% sort of kicking out. So I do expect this 50%. Then the next target will be 50% of this 3 months fair value gap. So that is that on a weekly time frame. Then we go to daily time frame. Yes, like this Friday candlestick, and I was expecting this up move, and that is fine. So going to the next week, my expectation will be this. So I will expect price to like use this fair value gap here. Okay, look at there is volume imbalance. So I'll add everything together. The volume imbalance. Okay, this is the volume imbalance. So I wouldn't want a price to close below this level. This 50% of this daily fair value gap. So I will expect price to use this as a support to push higher. This is on daily time frame. Anything can happen aside from that. So anything can still happen. So on a lower time frame, I will be looking for a reason from this place to go up. And also, I will be expecting that this fair value gap here, this fair value gap, they are as a support. This also. So they should act as a support for price to continue to move higher. that will be my take on DXY. Then I head to EURUSD. EURUSD. We start with weekly time frame. Initially, like I explained previous week, that's I'm so much concerned about this other block. Exactly, that is what happened. So price used this other block to push price higher. So, and if you look very well here, our source of liquidity will be definitely be this and this and this also. So these are the sell liquidity we'll be looking at right now. That is on weekly time frame. Then we go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, or as far as price still below this fair value gap here. This is the fair value gap. So as far as price is below this level, so we will use that to target these sell side liquidities. All this sell side liquidity, we use that to target it to come a little bit lower. Previous week, I was really not sure about this. Look at what's my expectation about. I never panned out the way we expected. So that will be that on EURUSD. Then we held to GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, we head to weekly time frame. Yes, previous week. Excuse me. Previous week, I was really expecting price to push a little bit high, but obviously I was wrong on this. So as soon as price open, that is one thing that is very, very critical, that nobody know the opening price of market. So we open far below the closing price. So that is this signal a kind of bearish sentiment. So price use this fair value gap here and push price high. And as you can see, this structure is still bearish. Still bearish, and if we are expecting bullishness in DXY, definitely we should be expecting some bearish on GBPUSD. Okay, this is this. So generally, my expectation here on a weekly, I will expect a little push down, at least to take out this sell side liquidity here, and possible we take to this is a 50% of this current range we are. So I will expect price to come a little bit down. Then we head to daily time frame. Daily time frame, as you can see, price has actually shifted here. So what you can generally expect here is this price can just come over to this place, tap onto this daily fair value gap here. So if price tap into this fair value gap, maybe we use Monday, have some range, then on Tuesday we make a high of the week, then we drop to this level. So that will be my expectation on the GBPUSD. Then we head to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, we are kind of really funny week. I was initially, before week open, I was expecting that price will use this this level to push a price high, but that did not happen on a weekly time frame also. As you can see, the price just dropped, taking out this sell side liquidity here. So that was this week. Then this week now, so what will we be expecting here? We will be expecting that now nothing is really clear. Price can just from this current place now and begin to, because we have already taken the sell side, and there is also a fair value gap on weekly time frame here, so price can use this and begin to move high. We're taking a sell side here. There is also a fair value gap here, so price can use this fair value gap now to begin to push higher, or price can use it also. Price can also come down and take out this liquidity. But there is one thing have to be aware. There is this monthly fair value gap here. Okay, so this monthly fair value gap, let me show you. So price is actually respecting on monthly fair value gap and the weekly fair value gap here. So definitely we'll be expecting maybe some support here to push a little bit higher. Then on daily time frame, we open on Monday. Okay, this was Friday. We open on Monday. This is the institutional entry draw. So we tap into this fair value gap, then we drop. Actually, on a lower time frame, I think I did made some buy on this place. Yes, okay. I believe so. Where is 30? Yes, this place. Initially on a 3 hour, there is this bullish breaker. Yeah, exactly. So price respecting this 3 hour fair value gap, then take out this. Then so when price was at this point, I think I bought somewhere here, and that trade hit a stop loss. Then I reversed course. Then I changed my bias using this to take this sell side here. So I first of all have a loss on a bond, then took a step also to take out this side liquidity. So that's on NASDAQ. So going to this week on this particular pair now, our concern here is this on a daily time frame. We'll be very watchful of this other block here. Very watchful of him. So when we will be watching, we have this monthly fair value gap, weekly fair value gap. So we'll be watching it. Maybe price will down. Use this other block to we wait for some few days, couple of days or so, to see what price is up to on a daily time frame. Then we head to S&P 500. On S&P 500, it's the same playbook. We took out this sell side here, tap into this monthly fair value gap, and once we close a couple of, okay, this week we are in the next 7 days, so we tap into this fair value gap. So in a general term, normally this as we tap into here, then this is a monthly structure, so we should like take out this but that is verified. It's a monthly price action. Then we Then our weekly time frame. So will be very, to me, since we are monthly structure, I will be expecting price to keep going higher per monthly cycle. Then a weekly cycle, we expect this, as we have already taken out this this sell side here. So we should be expecting price to keep pushing high, but that will be difficult. It wouldn't happen immediately. Then on this daily time frame, we have taken the sell side here. So let me use this. Okay, we have this value gap here. So on a weekly, I will be expecting price. Let's use this value gap as a support to keep moving high. So to this daily time frame, then 4-hour time frame. Let's see what Monday we bring. Normally, we should be expecting what price here. So we have some supports here using this weekly fair value gap. The price can use it to keep on pushing high. That's on S&P 500. On US30, same playbook anyway. So both indices, they move in the same direction, and I think we are seeing some S&P here. If you can remember that Nasdaq and S&P 500, they took out this October 6 low, and this US30 has failed to take out this low. So that is definitely an S&P divergence. So we expect some crack in the price delivery. So we expect this, we should be expecting a push up. But how fast or how soon the push up will likely come, nobody knows. All right. I think daily time frame. I think this the same playbook. I will still be watching what is going on a lower time frame. Then I had to say good. We had this like bullish this week, and you are seeing price action. That I think that bullishness is stand. Now, the bullishness is stand. Technically, we just went this week throughout. This is a Monday price action. We make the low of the week after low of the week when we push high. Usually, price rejected this fair value gap here, then drop into this fair value gap here, and price is above 50% of the fair value gap. So definitely we still be expecting a higher price. Let's take out this high, then this high. So without wasting much of our time, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, trade smart and safe.